Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another daily vlog. I am so sleepy. I think we are going to bake chocolate chip cookies. Finally! Mommy, let's go. Let's go bake. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I have been craving chocolate chip cookies since February pa. Whoa. And finally, we're going to bake. Lineup of our ingredients. So we have the flour, baking soda, salt, sugars, egg, melted butter, vanilla extract, and the star of this show, we have the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and we're adding some dark chocolate for variation. And voila, our chocolate chip cookies. Hi guys, good morning. It's another day. Wanted to chat with you real quick. Definitely raw and unfiltered. I just woke up with so much anxiety. I just got off the phone with my cousin and I'm just, telling her what I'm feeling because it really helps if you talk to someone. I haven't been able to sleep these past couple of days. I can't help but think about a lot of stuff, like what I need to do, what's gonna happen once this ECQ is lifted, and at the same time I am just missing everybody. Separation anxiety is hitting me real hard these past couple of days, but anyway, time to do skincare while I do my breakfast. I'm just starting my day. Kaya pala ako nagbe-breakfast with a peanut butter sandwich and my coffee. Say hello, Winnie the Pooh. I love to use this mug whenever I'm not feeling so good because it's Winnie the Pooh and somehow he always cheers me up. I have different sets of coffee mugs for different moods and different occasions, and Winnie the Pooh is here being my therapeutic coffee mug for the day, and of course my gold straw. Let's get started. Toner, I am now using the lavender flavor of theirs, and so far this is my favorite. I have tried the rose, I tried the cucumber, I was supposed to try the lemon pero out of stock siya sa Watsons. And my phone is buzzing. Oh my god, this is what happens when you start late. So as I was saying, can't really be choosy anymore, so I just bought the lavender and so far so good. I like it. Coline Vino Pure Serum, which I think I'm gonna finish by the end of the week. Oh no, I don't have a serum anymore. For my moisturizer today, I'm going to be using my Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice, just because I feel like I want hydration. Let me quickly brush my hair. Not in the mood to be picky today about what my lip balm is gonna be. Usually I do a rotation, like kina-cartwheel ko pa of which lip balm I'm gonna use. Pero this is the first thing I saw, so ito na lang. Sunscreen. I like to apply just a thin layer, like a tiny drop. Apparently, naarawan ka pa rin pala even when you're inside the house. I guess the UV light of the gadgets also penetrate through the skin, so I'm practicing using sunscreen na rin every day. Okay, so that's it. I think later today I'm gonna put on a face mask. Extrovert problems. I think today is just one of those days that I really want to get out of the house and I want to get something done. Like I want to do my grocery, I want to dine outside and just be in the office. So I guess that's why I haven't been able to sleep so well lately. Thank God we have what we call the Calm app. I have been using this lately to help me sleep and it's just so good. This one's my favorite so far. The rain. Anyway, something exciting came today. This morning I just received my package from Lazada. But first, let's sanitize. Yay! My Origins face mask. So carefully packaged. I love it. Okay, so in here, this is the mask. And we have the charcoal mask, the overnight hydrating mask with avocado and glacial water. Oh wow, that sounds so interesting. And the original skin, which is their best-selling pink clay mask. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. And they look so cute. They're very tiny, but they're cute. Okay, so quick tip lang, something that I have learned recently. You always have to check the manufacturing date as well as the expiration or the shelf life, just to be sure. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. I'm putting myself in a braid. Fantastic. I could almost kiss the stars. You're shining so bright. I would never want to miss this. This is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong. I've got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. So we are here in the living room. I am taking over because the parents are out of the house, and so I am making our center table my workspace for today. Let's get started and do some art. So welcome to our living room, which I turned into my workstation. This is the plate that I'll be working on today. I'm so excited to color Santorini. I am just so excited to color this. I got my pens with me, and I also have some paintbrushes because I might paint. First things first, I want to find the perfect shade of blue, and then we're gonna start coloring the dome of these Santorini cathedrals. So one of the few tricks I like to do when it comes to coloring canvases is color layering. So I'm basically layering two different shades of the same color on top of the other to make it more vibrant and for me to get the exact shade that I want. So I just finished the two domes because these were the most, because of all the colors here, these two have to stand out the most. It's the most solid blue color. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and color the plant. So I'm taking inspiration from these lovely photos. This is from Greece. And I just love the colors of Greece. I've always wanted to come here. And one thing that I've noticed is that when you're in Greece, it's just full of really bright colors. Like the flowers are so brightly pink against the white walls, the white houses. The paint is strikingly in a really beautiful shade of blue. Kind of makes you feel like you're truly one with the ocean, since Greece is like this beautiful island. Ah, I love it. Little cookie break because I am starving. This cookie definitely has a lot of room for improvements, but I'm just glad we finally have some chocolate chips and that I was able to finally satisfy my chocolate chip cookie cravings. I'm taking a little break from all the coloring. You all know that I have been so stressed lately because of the ABS-CBN shutdown, and partly I am still not okay because it was such a big deal. It's a defining moment in our history that cannot be overlooked, and it's not right. And I just can't be quiet about it. And what I want is for our government to take actions and to make it quick, because every minute that ABS-CBN is not on air is worth thousands of pesos that we lose. I was weeping the other night, the night that they actually went off air. I was weeping and I was just really so emotional, and I just felt like why our government just couldn't show a little bit of consideration and compassion at a time like this. More than the stress of not having anything to provide our clients. Really, it was just so unfair. I would have understood if we weren't in a crisis. I would have understood that what's fair is fair and what needed to be done had to be done. I was just hoping that this government would have been more considerate and that they would show a little bit of compassion to the people, because we are right in the middle of this COVID nightmare. Apart from that, I just feel like the government did not even consider that there are tens of thousands of Filipinos on the verge of losing their job. For me, it does have that kind of impact. We're not just talking about money here, but we are talking about pride. We are talking about a sense of purpose. From a researcher's standpoint, I just can't bring myself to the idea that tomorrow morning we're not going to be seeing primetime ratings for ABS-CBN, and this will not only touch on May 5, 2020 data. This will, if they don't do something about it, this will last longer, probably a week or a month, or I don't know. The thing is, nothing is certain in these times anymore. When I saw ABS-CBN signing off and just going all black, it really hit me so hard, because when you have something that you've known all your life be taken away from you with just a snap of the finger, it feels like a slap in the face or a stab in the back. The timing could not be worse. We are deep into this COVID nightmare, and more than news, we need a platform for us to keep ourselves entertained and to keep us sane. More than the loss of TV ratings, it's the loss of advertisers that I am worried about, because they rely on free-to-air channels like ABS-CBN to reach thousands to millions of their audiences. And it is ABS-CBN and GMA that actually take up majority of these ad placements. I guess my shock over the ABS-CBN shutdown has yet to fade. I know it's been a few days since, but honestly, the more days that pass, the harder and harder it is for us to work, especially being in the research end, because every day when I run my reports, I see nothing but zero in the ratings, and I don't think we would ever be able to come to terms with this. I don't want this to ever be the new normal. I guess the industry as a whole now has to come to terms with this shutdown. And being in research, we are deeply affected to the core because we hold the data. We report to our clients. And just like everyone else, we were flat-footed in this. On top of this pandemic, we are now facing yet another burden on our shoulders. So that's what I've been feeling for the past couple of days. But I am feeling much better now. I'm just focusing on my art and on things that inspire me and make me happy. I'll worry about that on the next working day, and we'll just go with the flow and see what happens. Hopefully the shutdown is not going to be for long. Lord, please. Anyway, it's time to get back to my art. Okay, so I finished a few parts of my Santorini plate, but I don't think I'm gonna finish this today, so I guess I'll just show you later on. Anyway, thank you so much as always for watching my channel. I truly appreciate it, especially at a time like this. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to be a part of the Calls fam, then please do hit that subscribe button. And watch out, because there's definitely a lot more vlogs coming your way. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!